Before buying an electric race car track, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Whoopewite Slot Car Track. First up is the Whoopewite Slot Car Race Track. Priced at $49.99, it immediately caught my eye with its realistic racing experience and dual racing capabilities. If you want thrilling racing action for both kids and parents, this is worth a serious look. The Whoopewite track features a design that simulates various racing scenarios with an impressive 18.4 ft long track. This means more excitement and less downtime, as the automatic lap counter keeps track of your races in real time. Plus, the cars can hit speeds of 370 mph. That's really fast for little ones, allowing them to feel the rush of racing without the risk. And with 2 power modes, electric or battery, you can race anywhere, anytime. Now, some users mentioned that the assembly can be a bit tricky, especially for younger kids. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to follow the instructions, it's manageable, and honestly, the fun you'll have racing on this track totally makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun, interactive toy to bond with your kids. Skip this one if you're after something that requires zero setup. For the price, it's a great value with tons of racing fun. Now, if the assembly challenge with the Whoopewite bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Fedinac Slot Car Track. Next, we have the Fedinac Slot Car Race Track, which is priced at $39.99. What stood out to me was its focus on dual racing and ease of use. If you want an engaging way to enjoy racing with friends or siblings, this is definitely worth a look. The automatic lap counting feature helps keep track of the race so you can focus on the next big turn. Plus, it's easy to set up, making it a favorite among parents looking for less hassle and more fun. However, some reviews pointed out that the cars could occasionally detract at high speeds. But honestly, that just adds to the excitement. It's part of the challenge of racing. If you're careful with the speed, you'll have a blast. This is perfect for families looking for a fun, competitive outlet. Skip this if you want a more stable racing experience without the occasional thrill of near misses. For the price, it's a fantastic deal for budding racers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more immersive. Product number 3, Fedinac 4-Car Track. The third product is another one by Fedinac, priced at $49.99. This one features 4 high-speed cars, and honestly, the thought of racing with friends really caught my attention. If you want a more cooperative play experience, this is worth considering. With speeds reaching 370 mph, it's thrilling. The automatic lap counter keeps things organized, allowing for more competitive fun. Plus, it allows for easy installation, which is great for quick racing sessions. Some users did mention that the cars sometimes struggle to stay on the track during sharp turns. But here's the thing, if you teach the kids to control their speed around corners, it can actually enhance the racing strategy and make it more fun. This is a great pick if you're looking for cooperative play with multiple racers. Skip this if you only want a single-player experience. For the price, it packs a ton of fun and excitement for group play. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly without sacrificing too much excitement, the next one on our list might catch your interest. Product number 4, Atlasonics Race Track. Coming in at $32.98, we have the Atlasonics Slot Car Race Track. This caught my eye for its educational value, which is not something you expect from a toy car track. If you want something that's fun and helps develop skills, this is definitely worth a look. This track is built for kids aged 4-8 and enhances hand-eye coordination and motor skills. The realistic speed and twists make it a thrilling experience. Plus, the construction is durable, which is a relief when kids get a little too excited. Some reviews did mention that it could be a bit small for older kids. But honestly, that's not a deal-breaker if you're playing with younger children or using it as a learning tool. It can still provide tons of fun. This is perfect for parents wanting a fun educational toy for younger kids. Skip this one if you're looking for a larger setup for older kids. For the budget, It's a fantastic entry-level race track. Now, if you're after something that's both entertaining and nostalgic, the last product on our list might just hit the spot. Product number 5, K-Muxolul Slot Car Track. Finally, we have the K-Muxolul Slot Car Race Track, priced at $49.98. What caught my attention was its nostalgic vibe and the variety of track designs. If you want a mix of nostalgia and fun, this is worth checking out. This track set features a staggering 20.2 ft long layout with multiple track designs, including U-shaped slopes and circular tracks. The 4 included high-speed cars can reach up to 370 mph, and there's an automatic lap counter to keep track of the action. The ease of assembly is a bonus too, making it great for quick setups. However, some users noted that the cars could lose traction at high speeds. But honestly, that just adds to the thrill of racing. It's all about strategy and control. This is perfect for families wanting to relive childhood memories while having fun with their kids. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward racing experience. For the price, you get a lot of exciting features and nostalgia packed in. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 amazing electric race car tracks. Each offers unique features from cooperative racing to educational fun, making them great options for any young racing enthusiast. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 amazing electric race car tracks, each with unique features, from the dual racing fun of the Whoopewite to the educational value of the Atlasonics. Whether you're looking for competitive play or something more nostalgic, there's something here for every young racing enthusiast. Happy racing!